Kate here with WTI, and if you're looking to impress your guest, this gorgeous whiskey smoker set from ComboJoy will get you there. This is such a beautiful set. It comes with 2 whiskey glasses, 2 molds to make ice cubes. They are round ice cubes. It also comes with 6 different kinds of wood chips, and of course your blowtorch. The smoker itself looks like a whiskey barrel. It's just so adorable. It has a magnetized top. So to use this, it's super simple. You choose the wood chip of your choice. It comes in a really beautiful variety. You put a little pinch of that in the filter, you torch it, you put the lid on, and you just let that smoke infuse your drink. Or you can even use it to just dry smoke your glass. It will add so much flavor. It's incredible. It reminds me so much of camping, like that wood fire smell. It gives like a toasted marshmallow kind of flavoring. I absolutely love it. So of course you can use this with whiskey, with bourbon, with tequila even, or you could smoke your food. There's so many options to use with this set. It is beautiful for gifting. It comes in this nice box. It's so well packaged. It would make somebody so happy to get it. So if you want to try smoking your drinks, it tastes delicious, it looks amazing. You're gonna honestly love it, and so will all your guests, and that's my point of view.